Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with LARVIKITE, the stone of magic. And for those who've watched my videos before, thank you so much for joining me again today. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your daily life. And this guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to its supportive benefits, and determining if that is a gemstone that can support you in a current life situation. And today we're going to sit with LARVIKITE and help you determine if it's a stone for you. And if you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of LARVIKITE, then I'll link that in the eye above. And you may want to pause this video and go watch that one so that you can see what the supportive and healing benefits of LARVIKITE are before you sit in this meditation. If you do have a piece of LARVIKITE, also known as black moonstone or blue pearl granite, then you should go get that and set it to the side right now. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If anything during this meditation really speaks to you or calls to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some LARVIKITE and work with it some more. If you do want to purchase LARVIKITE to work with some more, I do have tumbled LARVIKITE gemstone bracelet and gem sets and pendants in my online crystal healing store, and I'll put the link to that in the description below. So the only other thing that you'll need for this meditation today is a comfortable seat, either sitting on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Just as long as you're able to stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes as we go through this guided meditation. And today, we will have some little birdies occasionally joining us because there is a nest right outside my window and there are babies. So the spirit of the bird is going to be helping us meditate today. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So then, close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And just take a look at how it feels to breathe right now. And then bring your awareness to your body to see if there are any sensations that you notice right now, any discomfort. Just noticing, we're just observing and checking in at the beginning of the meditation. And then looking at your emotions and your mind and see what's going on for you right now. And we're not trying to make anything any perfect or specific way. We're just observing. We're just seeing what's going on with me right now. And then bringing your attention to those places on your body that connect with the cushion or the floor or the ground beneath you. And just taking in that sense of connection to the earth beneath you. And realizing that you are sitting on top of the entire planet. And you're in connection with the energy of the earth, all of its earth energy, and you're sitting right over the center of the earth. So you are guided and supported by the entire earth and all of its energy as we go through this meditation today. If you have a piece of larvikite, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. And this is your receiving hand, and it will receive the energy of the larvikite during this guided meditation. If you do not have larvikite, then you can imagine a black and gray stone with some shimmery sparkle to it. Picture that in your mind. If you're holding larvikite, then take a minute to really feel your gemstone, to feel its weight in your hand, and to touch its surface, to see where it might feel smooth or if there are any rough places. And take a minute to just get to know your piece of larvikite. And bringing your awareness back to your body and your emotions and your mind, and noticing if anything has changed since you've picked up the larvikite. And then imagine a bright light shining out from the middle of your forehead. It's silver shimmery light and surrounding you with its powerful energy. And then imagine your favorite element in front of you, if you know what it is. And then sit with this image of larvikite energy for a minute. Larvikite is the stone of magic. And as you hold your piece of larvikite or picture it in your mind, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you trying to strengthen your sense of intuition or awaken psychic abilities? Do you feel the need to protect yourself from the negative energy and intentions of others? Are there energetic attachments you need to disconnect and protect yourself from? Do you feel the desire to connect deeper with nature, or to do more work with the elements, or to identify your core element? Are you trying to determine the best time to make a big change or try something new, or to figure out the best timing for your daily routine? So, Larvikite is a stone that supports all of these scenarios in our lives. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart, to your mind. And we're going to sit with that scenario for another couple of minutes while you hold or picture your Larvikite stone. And just be aware of any changes that you might experience while you're holding the Larvikite. If the way that you feel about this situation changes. Not trying to force anything, just observing. And bring your awareness back to your body, your heart and mind. And notice if anything has changed for you since you started this meditation. It may take a couple of meditations to notice any changes. That's completely normal. And then release the situation that you were thinking about and release the image of the Larvikite energy, and you can put down your stone and just come back to breathing for a little bit. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Larvikite guided meditation. And I hope that you find it useful. And if you do feel like Larvikite is a gemstone that you'd like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can very quickly call up the Larvikite energy as soon as you pick up the stone. And this is the core essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life by knowing which situations that you need support with, which crystals will help you, and using them when you need them. And so if you're new to the channel, then I talk about a new gemstone or crystal every single week. On Thursdays, I post the informational video about the supportive benefits of a gemstone. On Saturdays, I post these guided meditations. And if you'd like to learn about a wide array of crystals and gemstones and how they can support your practical life situations, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.